Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music not working in your region. To get started, you need to firstly open your app store and you need to find the Instagram app. And from here what you need to do is need to update to the latest version of the Instagram app. If you find any update icon, you need to simply tap on the update icon. And after that, you need to reopen your Instagram again. And you need to next check your account type and open your Instagram app, go to your profile icon in the bottom right and go to this three line icon in the top right. And what you need to do is scroll a bit down and you need to select this account type and tools. And over here, you need to check your account type. If you're using a business account, some songs may not be available due to music licensing restriction. And if your Instagram music still is not working, keep in mind that Instagram music depends on the licensing agreements with music right holder. And if feature has not been officially released in a country or region, there isn't any official way to enable it. And that is it. That is how you can fix the Instagram music not working in your region. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.